10 Common household items that cause cancer. In today's modern world, we are surrounded by many everyday items that we don't even think twice about using. You may be surprised to know that some of these items can actually be harmful to our health and can even increase the risk of developing cancers and other chronic diseases. Let's explore some of the most common household items that can cause cancer. We'll also tell you how you can protect yourself and your family from their harmful effects. 1. Non-stick cookware. Cookware is an essential part of any kitchen, but it's important to choose the right kind for the sake of our health. Non-stick cookware has become very popular nowadays. But studies have shown that it can have bad effects on our health when heated. Non-stick cookware releases a range of toxic particles and gases that can harm our bodies when heated. These toxic particles and fluoride-based gases are known to be carcinogenic, which can lead to various forms of cancer. To ensure your health and safety, switch to alternative cookware such as glass or ceramic pots and pans that don't release toxic compounds. 2. Artificial sweeteners. Sugar is a common ingredient in many processed foods. And as people become more health conscious, they often turn to sugar alternatives as a way to reduce their sugar intake. However, not all sugar alternatives are created equal, and many commonly used ones can be bad for your health. Some of the most popular artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin and sorbitol are linked to a range of health concerns including carcinogenic effects and digestive issues. Instead, natural sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, monk fruit and maple syrup can be very good alternatives to artificial sweeteners, as they offer many health benefits including lower blood pressure, improved bone density and promotion of healthy gut bacteria. 3. Plastic bottles and food containers. Plastic has become an integral part of modern society and is commonly used in almost everything from water bottles to food containers. However, what many people don't realize is that plastic is not only harmful to the environment, but also to our health. The chemicals in plastic such as BPA can leak into the food or liquid we consume and can have negative effects on our health. Bisphenol A has been linked to various health problems including behavioral issues, brain development problems and prostate gland problems in fetuses, newborn babies and young children. To avoid these harmful effects, it is important to switch to reusable metal or glass water bottles and food containers. This can not only help keep us safe but also reduce plastic waste, making it a win-win situation. 4. Air fresheners. Certain chemicals found in air fresheners are often linked to respiratory problems including asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Studies have shown that frequent exposure to air freshener fumes can irritate the throat, nose and lungs, leading to coughing, wheezing and difficulty breathing. In addition to respiratory problems, some of the chemicals in air fresheners have been linked to hormonal imbalance in women, developmental problems in children and even certain types of cancer. To avoid the harmful effects of air fresheners, consider using natural alternatives such as essential oils or fresh flowers. These alternatives not only smell great but also provide a natural, safer and healthier environment for you and your family. 5. Commercial cleaning products. Many of us have a wide range of commercial cleaning products stored in our homes, believing that they will keep us healthy and germ-free. However, studies have shown that these products may be causing more harm than good. Certain cleaning products can cause respiratory problems, especially in people with asthma or other respiratory issues. Additionally, many of these products contain hormone disruptors which can interfere with the body's hormonal balance and lead to various health problems. Fortunately, natural cleaning alternatives such as vinegar and baking soda offer a safer, more eco-friendly option that can effectively disinfect your home without the harsh side effects. So next time you're cleaning your house, consider ditching the harmful commercial cleaners and going the natural route. 6. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is a staple of our daily oral hygiene routine, but many of us are unaware of the harmful chemicals it may contain. Saccharin, a popular artificial sweetener, is often found in toothpaste and has been classified as a possible human carcinogen. Not only that, but excessive use of fluorides has also been linked to a range of health issues from tooth cavities to thyroid gland damage. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives to traditional toothpaste, such as coconut oil, which has been shown to have antimicrobial properties that can fight harmful bacteria in the mouth. You can also switch to a healthier toothpaste alternative to avoid the potential health risks associated with synthetic toothpaste. 7. Shampoo. Anti-dandruff shampoo has been a go-to product for many people with dandruff, but it is not without risks. The active ingredient in many of these shampoos, methylchloroisothiazolinin, is a suspected mutagen, which means it may cause changes in DNA that can lead to cancer. Additionally, the manufacturing process of some shampoos can contaminate them with a potentially carcinogenic compound called 1,4-dioxane. While there are many alternatives to these shampoos, it's important to read labels and be aware of the ingredients in your personal care products to avoid harmful chemicals that could harm your health. 8. Mothballs. Mothballs are often seen as a quick and easy solution to protect your clothes from pesky moth infestations. However, the health risks associated with their use cannot be ignored. The active ingredient in most mothballs, called naphthalene, is a highly toxic substance that can cause severe damage to the liver and kidneys. In addition, it can also lead to the development of hemolytic anemia, a condition in which the red blood cells get damaged, leading to symptoms like fatigue, weakness and shortness of breath. Naphthalene has also been classified as a possible human carcinogen based on animal studies. Therefore, it's important to use natural methods to protect your clothes, such as natural moth repellents, to avoid any potential health risks. 9. Antibacterial soap. Triclosan is an antimicrobial agent that is commonly found in soaps and other personal care products. The FDA has reportedly banned the use of triclosan in certain products including soaps. Natural soap made with essential oils and plant-based ingredients can provide a healthy alternative to antibacterial soap. Unlike commercial soaps, natural soap does not usually contain harmful chemicals like triclosan. Additionally, natural soap is usually biodegradable, meaning it won't contribute to the pollution of the environment. Using essential oils such as tea tree oil, lavender oil and eucalyptus oil in soap can also provide antibacterial properties. Making your own natural soap is a simple process that can be done at home using basic ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter and lye. Not only can it keep your hands clean but can also keep your body and the environment healthy. 10. Flea and tick treatment. While flea and tick infestations can be a nightmare for pet owners, it's important to be aware of the potential risks of using certain treatments. Many popular flea and tick products contain toxic chemicals such as fipronil. This chemical has been linked to a range of health issues in both animals and humans. In addition to causing skin irritation and other mild symptoms, high amounts of fipronil can also lead to seizures, vomiting and headaches in both dogs and cats. And while more research is needed, the substance is also considered a possible human carcinogen, meaning it has the potential to cause cancer in humans. If you're concerned about the safety of flea and tick treatments for your furry friend, speak with your vet about alternative options that may be less toxic. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.